What is up you guys, Alex here. In this video I want to share with you 5 ways you can make some money that does not have any age restriction. No, you don't have to be 18, no you don't have to be 21 or whatever age restriction there is on this planet. No, there is no sales pitch, there is no course to buy here, just some pure information exchange, some pure knowledge exchange that is going to help you earn some money, and 5 legit ways that you can earn money as a teenager or no matter your age. If you find this video helpful, I would appreciate if you destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm. If you want to join the community and if you want to join the family, make sure to subscribe to be notified whenever I post a video. And let's dive into the 5 legit ways you can make money as a teenager or with no age restriction. The first legit way you can make money as a teenager is washing neighbors' cars. Now I know you probably know about this and this crossed your mind, but hear me out because you might learn a trick or two that can help you boost your income by a lot and that can actually help you score some new clients. In order to be able to do this, all you need is a bucket, some kind of car soap or car wash solution, and a sponge. And then you are ready to go on your neighbors' houses and then knock on their doors and ask if you could wash their car. If they are reluctant to let you wash their car, just tell them the following. Mr. or Mrs., I would kindly wash your car for free this time. And next time when I come, if you're happy with the result that I provided, you and I can agree on a form of compensation and on the amount that you might be willing to pay me for washing this car regularly. That's it, stop right there and let them respond. If they are unwilling to pay you the next time, or if they don't even give you a chance, well, they might not be the right client for you. But if they agree, you better give them the best car wash that you have in your toolbox, because that job is going to earn your trust with them. And if they are happy with the result, now you have a customer for an indefinite period of time, or as long as you're running this form of business. So by scoring a new client, you might have a recurring client that you can wash their car like every couple of days or every single week. I've seen kids that earn about $300 to $400 by just washing the neighbors' cars. Of course, they hustle out and they work like 8 to 12 hours a day just to get that amount of money, but imagine making $300 to $400 a day. I mean, that's a lot of money for a teenager. Another pro tip that I have for you if you want to try to earn more by doing this is to find the richer neighborhood and try to start from there. It might be better to start in your neighborhood because people might know you and you already have some kind of trust. But if you offer your services for free in order to build that trust, you might be able to earn clients from the richer neighborhoods, and you could actually earn some more money than the $300 to $400 that I mentioned. The second legit way that you can earn some money is by washing windows, which is a variation of the above. You can bet that people hate washing their windows, and if you are there to solve their problem, if you are there to offer your help in solving their pain, you will get compensated for it. The best thing is that you need similar tools as for the first job. You only need a different solution for the windows and a squeegee in order to wash the windows. And I'm gonna put the picture on the screen with the squeegee in order to have an idea of what that is. Another incredible opportunity with this is that you can use the initial client base from washing the cars. You can offer on upselling them on washing the windows of the house too, in order to build upon the first job and earn some more from a single client. If they are really happy with the job that you did on the car, they might hire you to actually wash their windows too. So from a single client, now you got 2 different types of services that you can perform, and you can expand your portfolio of services and you can charge more or premium just because you do both jobs. Bam! Now you have 2 opportunities to earn some money in your neighborhood or in a richer neighborhood, and you have 2 different services to offer your community. The third lucrative job that you can do is to resell clothes or other items from a thrift shop. I'll be focusing on clothes because here you can upsell a little bit and you can bundle things up in order to make more profit. In order to be able to do this, you might need to scout the thrift shops in your town or in your area and go to them regularly to see what items they have and what brands do they offer and what you can do with the items that you get from there. I encourage you to also learn a little bit about fashion from two channels that I'm going to post in the description down below, basically from Teachings Man Fashion and from Alpha M. By combining the fashion skills and the scouting that you do at the thrift shops, you can create outfits from the scratch and sell multiple items for a package price. If you would sell an item for $10, for example, that you got probably for $1 or $2, now you can sell an entire outfit for $40, $50, $60, depending on your marketing skills. If you make a really great outfit by combining the items that you get from the thrift shop, you can get a lot of bang for your buck and for your time. You will be compensating more by combining your fashion skills with your scouting and with finding the items in order to build that outfit. So this is going to help you earn more and actually combine multiple skills into one lucrative job. At the same time, you can use the same skill for yourself, save some money on items, and you can build multiple outfits for yourself and basically change them every once in a while because they cost so less and you know how to do it, you know how to combine the right clothes, and you got yourself a skill for yourself and one that you can monetize for other people. The fourth lucrative job that you can do as a teenager is to flip iPhones and Macs. Now I mentioned this here because you need initial capital in order to invest to buy an iPhone or to buy a Mac. That is why I listed the first three ones before. You don't need that much money in order to start washing cars or washing windows or to build outfits that you can sell. But you need some capital to invest in order to buy iPhones, to buy Macs, to buy chargers and other things that you can bundle up and sell as a package. I found the best websites to do this are Facebook Marketplace and eBay. You can find some items on Craigslist too, so you might want to scout there every once in a while to see what you can find. A pro tip in order to maximize your returns by flipping items is to bundle up things. So for example, if you buy an iPhone, make sure that you go and buy a pair of headphones or two and attach them to the iPhone, and also buy a couple of chargers and bundle everything up in one single package and sell the iPhone together with all the accessories. Maybe you can also find a box that goes with that iPhone, and this will ensure that you get more for the time that you invested and for the flip that you are about to do. So if you could flip the iPhone for maybe like a $50 to $100 profit, now you would be able to squeeze 50 to 100 more or 200 more just by bundling things up and selling a complete package to the consumer. I'm sharing this information from my own experience, so if you want to maximize your profits and the opportunity, make sure to try and at least apply this one. Lastly, one lucrative job that you can do as a teenager, and that it's something that is generated by the digital world, is to digitize the family albums of the people around you. Now be very careful when trying to offer this kind of job or when you're trying to pitch this idea, because people are very sensitive about their memories and about their family photos. I would suggest that you start with your family photos or albums, digitize them, and then you would have something visual to show the customers that you want to target. So for example, if you want to go and show this to the neighbors, now you have your photos done and you can show them that, hey, it looks like this. This is what I'm able to do. Now you can have your photos forever. You can have them on a flash drive. You do not have to worry about things getting burned, things getting stained. You can save them on a cloud. You can save them on the computer, on a safe storage, and you'll always have your memories with you. This is a great opportunity because people really care about their memories and they are very sensitive about it. So they might be willing to pay you $100 to $200 to digitize all the photos that they have and all the albums that they have and hand them a stick with all their precious memories. I'll put a link in the description down below to help you more with this process if you are interested in it, and to have a little more detailed step-by-step process on how to do it. I really care about helping you earn more, saving more, and growing your personal finance education. And I really hope you will use at least one of these options in order to earn some money for yourself, and then you can do whatever you want to. It's your choice, it's your hard-earned money. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to destroy the like button. Feel free to destroy the subscribe button to become part of the community. I want to thank you so much for watching. You've been awesome. I've been Alex, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Have a wonderful day. Peace.